We've all seen this David painting on this black tarp. I'm really going to be curious if Celeste was wrapped in this black tarp when she was found. But they're pointing to is this bandaged up number, the letter 4, which spells out the number 4, the number 6, and the number 7 in it, right? We've talked about that. And that's what the pointing out here is. So it says, I got this photo from another sub. I had never noticed before the circle sculpture in the background before. It's covered in bandages and more realistic looking blood. I wonder who made this. And Sugar Salt says the D4VD logo appears to be as a background on stage in a few of his streams. It was black before he wrapped it in paint covered bandages. And then Abs Blab says it could be a different one because I expect all his gig stuff to be kept in the same place for ease of transport. I work with blood quite a lot, and this is more realistic to the color of blood degrading over time. Remember, we heard rumors, I don't know if they're true or not, that law enforcement was investigating if he was using any portion of Celeste in any of this, in any of those shirts. And I'm not saying that it was all, because I do think it was red paint. But was he using any other portion of Celeste in this, you guys? So now I want to go to a video that got sent to. So this is David in Baltimore. And what this really shows is that it was Rob M that was there on a day-to-day basis. But it also shows what easy access David had. It's messed up, you guys. And the people around D4VD are really messed up too. Rosa said he didn't like girls his own age, right? Paw prints all. So she's asking to give a thumbs up. All right. So this is from D4VD Gaming. And I'm not going to play the whole thing, but I just want to show you who was around him. I'm going to turn the volume down because they are singing some. So this is David getting out of the car. This is Rob M. Did you see him? There's Rob M right there with the sunglasses on his phone with David getting out of the car to meet fans. So he had access to kids. And I told you guys, I thought that his music was being marketed to kids. There's Rob M right there, just behind David. I just wanted to show you Rob M right there behind David. And then you can see these girls, how excited they all are to meet him. It's really scary when you think about the misogyny and the message that was being sent to females. It's really sad. And there's Rob M just right there. David's manager. This is the one that had an attorney. According to him, he said she was allegedly being reported out that she was being pushy about why he didn't call the police. It makes me sad that girls looked up to him. And here's those absolutely horrible shirts. Rob M is going to pass them out now. Invisible ink. See, they have the red on them. And so he's giving those away. So that's who these shirts were being marketed to, you guys. They were being marketed to kids. And this is David on stage crying for himself with all the Hello Kitty stuff. I don't even think it's probably real. And there's him all happy with paint on his face. Me, and me.